Hey guys, so today I'm here and I got my Ipsy and I'm super excited. This month's bag is so adorable. This is the February bag and it is like this really cute dusty like nude pink with the lace trim. I'm living for this bag. I'm so excited too. I also got my Boxy, so you're going to see the same kind of look and outfit as well in my BoxyCharm unboxing, but let's get to it, huh? First things first, I got this It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. And this actually looks really cute. My box is kind of beat up here. And I'm pretty sure I can use this too. I don't think it has anything bad in it, but this is really cool. Oh, actually, it's a decent size, so neat. And this is in the shade Light Ultra Fair. Is the shade that I was given, so hopefully this will be light enough. We will find out. Which I'm so excited because I love getting these. Are what is this? This is a Luxie brush. But the cool thing is, and I've never seen this kind of brush from Luxie before, is that it's a double-sided where you get kind of like this nice kind of tapered pointed brush where it's more flat, and then a nice like blending brush. So I'm super excited. I really love Luxie brushes. Ipsy totally got me into them. Really love them. So super pumped about that. Next, something I was super excited for because I just never get them in my Ipsys, and it is a dry shampoo and it's by the brand Laboratories Chlorine. I'm not sure how you say that, but it seems really cool. It's a dry shampoo with oat milk, and this looks like it's going to be promising. I never really get hair products other than like oils, and I don't really use them like that because normally they end up giving me one stuff in it that I'm allergic to. So I absolutely love getting this. I hope I kind of get more dry shampoos, hairsprays, that sort of thing. Really excited for this. Alright, next up is this Luna by Lunar highlighter. Right? Luna by Luna highlighter? Yeah. Okay, in the shade Electra. And this is a decent sized highlighter, and it is a big highlighter. Ooh, it's like a pretty kind of champagne-y pink. Ooh. This actually looks really pretty. And like really pretty for my skin tone too. Don't know if you guys can see that there, but that's really pretty. So really excited for this. I actually feel like for both my BoxyCharm and my Ipsy, I got amazing stuff. Like, this is probably like my best Ipsy bag, to be honest. Next is this Pacifica Beach Crystals Mineral Eyeshadows. Ooh, if I can get it out. Ooh, this is pretty. Can't get the tape off. It's like this really pretty, like, pink and purple. Just show it here. Ooh, it's like a pretty, like some pinks, some neutrals, purples. Really pretty. So hopefully this one will be pretty good. It also shows that it's available at Ulta. So that's what it says on the back here. So that's really cool. And this one's themes was just the unzipped. So I thought that was cute. It's all about loving yourself and embracing everything you are and feeling good about yourself and feeling sexy. So definitely think this is adorable. Again, this is probably one of my best bags ever. Actually, I think this is the best bag I've ever gotten from Ipsy. Totally worth the $10. The ironic part is I was like questioning if I wanted to cancel or not. Not in a bad way, like not like it was bad, but like am I getting stuff that I really love? And then this month made me want to like keep it. So I'm hoping next month will be just as good. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. And please be sure to subscribe so you guys can see me do many unboxings as well as tutorials, reviews, and all that. Alright, thank you guys so much. Bye.